Hi, this is Dr. Sveta Silverman. I am the doctor of choice, or the doctor of healthy choices. I teach choices and knowledge which equalizes to health and quality of living. So I'm conducting the 5-part series on cellular health. Why? I am a doctor of cells as well. Every day of my life, I diagnose cancers and I diagnose pathology of the cells. That is why I'm on the quest. How do we make our cells happy and healthy? So thank you for joining me. Today, we are talking about cellular engine. You do know that the car doesn't run without an engine. Well, the cell doesn't function without engine as well. And cellular engine is our mitochondria. That wonderful, beautiful organelle that not only literally gives us energy, but also controls our genes and also takes care of cellular policing, recognizing when cell goes bad, giving a command to execute the cell. We know that our mitochondria become sluggish, what we call dysfunctional, when we age. We also know that our mitochondrial numbers decrease when we become older, when we stop exercising, when we start eating bad foods. How do we boost that number of mitochondria? How we turn back the functionality of mitochondria? Number one, we can boost it with what is called NRF1 protein complex. It tells every cell, it turns on mitochondrial DNA. What does that mean? It means that turning on mitochondrial DNA will stimulate and push the cells to make new and young and functional mitochondria. That is number one, and it is a combination of 5 botanicals. I'm not going to get into the details of composition. It may be too complicated and may be not necessary during this series. Despite that we're turning the number of mitochondria, how can we turn back that functionality of those biochemical processes that are conducted by mitochondria? We need to keep an eye on a biochemical complex which is called NAD. Very complicated name, and you don't have to pronounce it, I do. Nucleotide adenine dinucleotide, nicotinamide dinucleotide. You see how complicated it is. But the importance of that NAD is, if there is no NAD in the mitochondria, it simply doesn't work. So we need to find the ways how to boost it, how to keep it at the proper levels, how to maintain that functionality. How do we do this? It's actually very simple. We can minimize our calories. That works. And we have to exercise. That also works. But we also can consume a certain degree of vitamin B3 or niacin, or different other precursors of NAD, or obtain this NAD upregulator to boost our mitochondria, our function, our energy, our cellular protection, to boost our genes. Thank you very much. And please continue on with my 5-part series.